Hello everyone, today is a troubleshooting video for one of my most popular video of how to split a spreadsheet to multiple sheets, which is the video here. So I have one person left a message and asking me why it doesn't work for her spreadsheet, and I checked the spreadsheet that he or she sent to me. So basically, it's a very similar kind of spreadsheet to what I have there. And basically, the master spreadsheet is something like this. If you look at the master data, it's already named, and then they basically will want to split by this column, the title 6, and then we want to split by the split code, which you can see is also defined to 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, what we want to see from here is that after we after we run the code here, it can split the spreadsheets into 1, 2, 3 with the respective data on it, right? So it sounds pretty intuitive, and but then they tell me it didn't work, and then I tried it myself, and you know what? It actually didn't work. So let me show you step by step. And you can see where the problem is. So I'm pressing F8, so you can see there's the highlight there. So as I press F8, it will just show you the line of macro code that it's running, so you can see which line is actually where the problem is. So we're selecting the master spreadsheet. Yeah, that's right. We set that. And then we want to copy a new sheet after the sheet count. And then you can see we are doing that. So that line of code is working. And then we want to name it to cell.Value, which is 1. Yeah, it's working. And then now we want to have this sheet with the range master data. And then we want to filter on field 6, which you can see is title 6. And then we basically want to say filter out every row that does not equal to 1, right? So that's pretty much the same as what we did for in my video. But then guess what? This is where you have this debug and then the arrow function, and basically you are not able to do that. And then the code just does not allow you to run. So what is the problem here? So I looked at everything on the spreadsheet. It's nice and clean, and I also check if there's any hidden rows, anything that's not named properly, formatted properly. No, everything is perfectly fine. And actually, the real reason that it doesn't work here is simply that the split code is too simple. It is like it is just numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're literally naming your sheet as 1, and then you want to name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason it doesn't work is actually this line of code here. This line of code. So you see here we have already named our sheet to sheet 1 basically. So here it's actually going to say with ActiveWorkbook.Sheet 1 range master sheet. And guess what? Instead of coming to sheet 1, macro actually thinks that you're referring to the actual sheet 1, like the number 1 sheet on your master spreadsheet. And actually each of those sheets are named properly, as you can see here. So actually each sheet inherently they have a number assigned to it. So when I refer to sheet 5, then Excel knows that, okay, it is the sheet 1. But then when I refer to sheet 4, then Excel is actually going to direct to the sheet master. So when we try to select sheet 1 here, you can see actually in my in this master spreadsheet here, workbook here, we don't have sheet 1. And that is why your code does not run through, and then you see that error message. Okay, so now after knowing this, what is an easy way to fix it? Actually, the easy way to fix it is just to make sure that you're not naming your subsheets as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Name it to anything that is not 1. So let's say I wanna name it title 1. I just wanna add the text title to it. So you have double quote title and then have the end sign to it, or you can really add any kind of text you want. And then let's add it here, so that now what I'm telling Excel is that I wanna, after I copy, I wanna name it title 1. And then with title 1, I wanna do whatever I wanna do as in the previous macro code. So now let's try this and then let's see if it works. Let's clean this up, and then we still have the master spreadsheet here. Let's start from here, and then let's still run it step by step. So by going for F8. So just keep on pressing, and then see, yeah, we are copying it. We are naming it title 1. We are trying to filter. It is filtering. It is deleting, and it is showing all the data, and then it's going to the next cell. So this is just how easy it is. And then let's just continue with the rest of the codes, and then you can see everything is coming up as desired. So this is a troubleshooting video, and hopefully that it can also give you some tips when you name the sheets. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a message. I will be really happy to help you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. If you have any question, please leave me a comment, and I will talk to you very soon.